everyone! Do you want to learn how to make this cute little succulent piece for your desk? Then stay tuned and I'll show you how I made this. So I first started off with one of these containers that I got at Home Goods. I saw it and I instantly fell in love with it. I thought it was so cute and it would be perfect in the corner of my desk. I also bought some of these rocks. I got these at the dollar stores. This is just as a base underneath that's going to hold a lot of the excess water. And then I got these lighter white gray rocks to put on top as a decorative feature. I had a couple of little shovels to help me with the dirt, and also some gloves since I would be handling dirt and plants. I wanted to wear these to protect my hands. And then I got a special kind of potting soil. I got a cactus and succulent mix. This is going to be perfect so it doesn't hold too much water like regular soil does. I also picked up some cute little succulents that I would be using, and I filled the base of the container with some rocks. So I filled about 2 inches deep, and this is important because this will catch all the excess water when you water your plant. I did this because cactus roots do not like to sit in very wet soil for long periods of time. So this is about how much I put. Then I went ahead and I filled the container about 2/3 of the way with the cactus and succulent soil. So I did want to leave some space on top because I would be putting more soil, and also I would be filling the top with the white rocks. So this is about how much I put in the container. Getting the succulents out of their original container was a little bit tricky. I had to squish gently on the container to loosen it up, and then I was able to flip it over and gently pour it onto my hand. I removed some of the soil that came with the succulent and tried to aerate some of the roots. I was very gentle in doing this because I did not want to hurt the root system of the succulents. I then made a little hole in the container in the dirt and I placed it very gently. I had to use some more soil just to support the roots so that the succulent wouldn't topple over. So I filled some more in until the succulent was secure and would not tilt over and come out of the potting mix. Then I decided to put a couple of more little succulent plants. So with my little shovel, I made some space, and then I did the same thing. I put it in, and then I filled the surrounding with some soil until it was able to support the succulent. And there was a little bit more space, so I decided to put a 3rd little succulent. So I did have some other ones to choose from. I chose the smaller one. I felt like the color matched better with what I had in the container. So I did the same thing. I went ahead and I made a little hole for it, deep enough that the roots would fit, and I placed the roots carefully and put some soil around it very carefully to make sure that the soil was supporting the plants. Finally, I used the white and gray rocks on top to cover all of the dirt. This was just to make it look a little bit prettier and so that it could match my room and my desk. Since my desk is white and has a lot of light colors, I didn't want the soil to be through, so I carefully positioned all the rocks all around it. And this was the final result. I really liked how it came out. I think the colors are really great together and it looks so cute on my desk. So I placed a succulent on this corner of my desk. I think it looks great and amazing. I really love how it gives a pop of color to my desk, and it also is going to keep me company since I'm going to be spending a lot of time at my desk. So this is the final look. I really like having a plant in this little space. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope you get to make your own succulent plants as well.